don't know how well you can see using a camera through a window.
He knows about your house.
We got quite a bit of rain going on here.
And boxing.
My backyard has never looked like that before. What a mess.
I want to play. Mom, I want to play in the rain.
No, we're not going to play in that rain. Okay, let's go out here and see. Irie, stay inside. No, no. Everyone stay inside. I'm going to step out here just for a second. This is our screened-in patio. It looks like it's... Wow. What a mess. No, no, Beanie. No, come on. Go back inside. Oh, ankle deep out here.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Oh, we're sorry. We're sorry. We're sorry. Sorry. Oh, we're sorry. Can I do it? Thanks. Okay, everybody out.
Girls, your little house is flooding.
Well, we weren't playing a flood.
We're playing a flood. Why?
Like
What are they doing, Beanie? Ocean, Nat, get out of that water. Alright, I think we need to go back inside. I don't want everybody all soaking wet. Come on. Well, that's a customer trying to call. No way I can answer that right now. Here's the way it looks out front.
Get back.
Wow, what a mess. Alright, come on, kids. Come on. Let's go.